Assalamualaikum and good day. I am Abdul Hamid Kato from BSCE 2B. Problem 2.56. A ball is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 10 meter per second from the edge of the cliff, 20 meter above sea level. What is the highest point above sea level reached? How long does it take the ball to hit the water? With what velocity does it hit the water? So let's identify what is the given. So in this position, a ball is thrown. Then the initial velocity is 10 meter per seconds. Then and if it is go downward or pag nahulog ito, meron siyang gravitational acceleration na 9.81 meter per second squared. So, ang given is initial velocity equals to 10 meter per seconds and S1 equals to 20 meter above sea level. So let's identify what is the highest point required. First is the h, maximum height. Then the time it reach ang time na bago mahulog ang bola sa tubig. Next is ano ang velocity, final velocity. Then solution. So first is kunin muna natin ang time sa if 10 meter per seconds. So Vf equals to initial velocity plus a acceleration times time. Then ang initial velocity dito pag tinapon is 0 0 equals to 10 meter per seconds plus yung gravitational acceleration is 9.81 meter per second squared times t. So since ang gravitational acceleration is pababa, then it is negative. Then if we calculate, t is equals to 0 is equals to 10 plus minus 9.81 x. Then ang time is 1.02, approximately 1.02 seconds. Cancel. Then gagamitin natin ito para makuha ang para sa pagkuha ng maximum height. Sa maximum height naman, ang formula is S equals to V. Ang kunin muna pala is yung X. Ito is X. Initial velocity times time plus 1 all over 2 t squared. So ito Ang initial velocity is 10 meter per seconds times time, which is 1.02 seconds plus 1 all over 2. 9.81 meter per seconds per second squared times 1.02 squared. Then pag solve natin ito, 10 times 1.02 plus 1 all over 2, 9.81 times 1.02 squared. Oops. No. Ay, negative 9.81. So 10 times 1.02 plus 1 all over 2, 9.81 times 1.02 squared. So, ang value ng x is 5.1 meter. So, di ba ang maximum height is s equals to 20 plus x. Therefore, s equals to 20 meter plus 5.1 meter. The maximum height is equals to 25.1 meter. Then, para naman makuha ang time that take the ball to hit the water, ang formula is s equals to initial velocity time plus 1 all over 2 times squared. Substitute negative 20 is equals to 10t plus 1 all over 2, 9.81 t squared. Then negative 20 is equals to 10t plus 4.905 t squared. Then negative pala ito siya kay pababa. Negative ang gravitational acceleration. Negative. Then gagawin natin ito siyang quadratic formula. We will make it to quadratic. 4.9t 05t squared minus 10t minus 20 equals to 0. So in quadratic formula, t is equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac it is equals to all over 2a. Then substitute t is equals to negative 10 negative 10 plus minus log negative 10 squared minus 4.905 negative 20 all over 2 times 4.905. Then isolve natin sa paghiwalayin natin ang plus pati minus. Kunin muna natin ito. T is equals to 10 plus minus 22.19 all over 9.81. Then first is 10 plus 22.19 all over 9.81 is equals to t equals to 3.28 seconds. By subtracting naman, t is equals to 10 minus 22.19 all over 9.81. T is equals to negative 1.24 seconds. Therefore, the answer is this, because this is the maximum value of the time. Then sa final velocity naman, what velocity does is hit the water. The formula is niya is VF equals to VO plus AT. Then substitute VF equals to 10 meter per seconds plus 9.81 meter per second squared times T is equals to 3.28 seconds. VF is equals to V is equals to 10 plus 9.81 3.28. Wrong. Ganito. Negative pala itong 9.81 since pababa 9.81 negative 9.81. Now 10 minus 9.81 times 3.28, it is equals to negative 22.18. So, since pababa, let's say Vf equals to 22.18 meter per seconds. Pababa siya.